Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I had a video I made earlier today, and I had these objects in my video, and somebody asked, where did I get that object, or did I draw it? And yes, I drew it. I was playing around one day, and I'd made a video prior on how to do something kind of like this. I'm going to hold down the control button and make a perfect square. With my ratio edit corner unlocked, I'm going to go 2 inches on both the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and while holding down the control button, I'm going to move that over. I didn't make a duplicate of it. Holding down the control button, make that shape. I've just made a video using this same idea, but I didn't. This is how I play. I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the control button, I'm going to mirror that over. Now, grabbing that node right there, and you can move it wherever you want, but when you come over here, it needs to snap to the other node. Take these and weld them. I can already see that it's not going to be tall enough, so I'm going to make it taller and hit P. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Still not quite tall enough. So what we can do is either make it taller or a little less wide. Hit P, Control D and make a duplicate. 45 degrees. Control D, Control D. Go ahead and weld this. Take it a ellipse. Hit P. That's a little bit big, so I'm going to holding down the Shift key. And then I'm going to Control D and make another duplicate of that. But I don't want that inner circle in there when I'm welding, so I'm going to move it out of the way. Now I'm going to weld this together. And because I'm working in the center of the page, all I have to do is hit P, take that Smart Fill tool, and there you have that shape. You can have a blue center or not. And you could have, it could be different. I've made 3 so far, and they're all a little bit different sizes, and that's all depends on how far you made the corners and how, look at this. This is more like a flower Y, and these are a little sharper. So that's just something you can play around with. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.